this video, we are going to see how to install the Django in Windows 10 operating system. For that, open the command prompt. For installing the Django, make sure we have a Python. So for that, we have a command python space hyphen version. Yeah, it's showing Python 3.11.3. Then we can go for Django installation. For that, we have a command pip install Django. Yeah, in my system it's showing requirement already satisfied because I have already installed the Django. In your system, if you haven't installed the Django, then it will install all the required files and libraries in your system. Here one command is showing python.exe. This command is used to upgrade or update your Django version. If you want to update your Django version, you can simply copy paste this one and run here. There is a one more command python space m space django space hyphen version. This is a command to check what is the version of our Django. Yeah, so up to this, it's successfully Django installed in our Windows 10 operating system. Here we can also create one small project to verify whether it's correctly we have installed or not. So let's create one small project. So the command to create the Django project is python. First, let me go to particular location any cd desktop. Okay, then here create one folder mkdir. For example, it's Django project one. Okay, go inside this folder. Okay, copy paste. Now here we can create our Django project. So command to create Django project is python hyphen m and Django start project, then project name. For example, I'm giving my project. Okay, so project is created. So let's run this project. For that, go inside the project, simply copy it, paste here. Now we are inside the project. Then command to run the Django server is python manage py run server. If you are getting this URL, it means your Django server is running enough. You can go to any browser, simply copy paste. Yeah, if this page is coming, it means you have successfully installed the Django and it's working. So thank you so much for watching this.